There's the puppies. There's the puppies. Well, today we got to replace or fix the threads on the axle of the Titan because my dumbass did what we've all done. Hi, Sierra. I messed up the threads and I can't get my nut on, so I can't get my truck back together. So how are we going to fix this? Well, we're going to give it a shot today using a couple different methods, and whatever one works first, that's what we're going with. So hold on tight for another episode of Arrowhead Garage and Titan Tuesday. Let's go. Well, at some point in time, we are all going to come across a situation where we mess up the threads on something, and how we're going to fix it. Well, for me, I think I've mushroomed this out by pounding on it without having the nut on. My mistake. So we're going to take a file and see if we just can't ground off this edge right here, and then see if we can get this nut on. So let me put the camera in the old tripod, and we'll see if we can't file this down before we put in our die. So here's the situation, and we've also kind of messed up the threads on this one as well. So, but you go to, and you get maybe one on there, and that's about all we're going to get on this. So let's grab a file, and I'm thinking this triangle file is probably going to be the best bet. I can get it in there and just kind of work that edge down. All right. Now I went ahead and bought a new axle nut, just so we have a fresh start. No, not yet. Okay, so I did go out and buy a die set, and for this application here, it's a 24 millimeter dot 1.5 dot pitch, which is this bad boy right here. Does not come with a socket or anything to our tool, so we're gonna have to do this on our own and see if we can't get this to cut. So let me go see if I can find a socket that will fit this. So it looks like we found a socket that'll work. Put it on here. All right. I'm gonna flush this down. Let's just see where we can go with this. Now it doesn't say if there's a right way or wrong way, so we're just gonna do our best to kind of rotate it backwards for a little bit, kind of square it up. And I'm gonna get this wrench here, this ratchet, and just see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna back it off now. And then come back down again. I'm applying a little bit of pressure. All right, we'll try something else now. Square, more of a flathead type. Okay, it feels good. I'll back this off. Okay, take our new one. Looks like that's gonna work. This little die here, let me tell you. See, we can't nut this down now. A couple times here. I'm gonna go get my daughter to step on the brakes for us. There we go. There, much better. We got through it. Well, as you can see, pretty easy if you strip the threads out on your axle stud there to cut them with that little tool. There's a link down below where you can buy a set of those for yourself. This works with anything: Nissan, Ford, Chevy, Toyota, any of those that have the CV axles, you need to cut those threads on. So grab yourself a kit before you need it, have it on hand. If you like the video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. If you're enjoying the videos on rebuilding the front end of our Nissan Titan, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos coming up. So with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of your afternoon, and I'm going to put this back together and get to driving. See you next time on Titan Tuesdays.